Hello there. I just started my YouTube channel. So for those of you who just started it also, here's a video on how to get or to make a cool YouTube channel for free. Guys, for free. Just go to this site, which is this snappa.com. As you can see in my screen, just follow it, this site. And there's a lot of things you can do actually with this site aside from making a YouTube channel art. You can do this Facebook post or Instagram post story. But let's go to this YouTube channel art because that is what our content about today. So here, there's a lot of template right here that you can use. You can select that is more related to your topic or content in YouTube. Just click any of this. Example, just gonna click this one, the first one, and let's wait for it here. So just try to change it here, example. So if you wanted to just like here a YouTube channel, you can do actually anything that you would like want. You can do whatever you want, guys. Just you go to this site snappa.com and then save it, and then click download here, download, and go back to your channel and upload it. That is so easy. This is where I got my my YouTube channel art, my YouTube cover photo, this site. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you like it. This was my first YouTube channel and my first video as well. If you are interested to subscribe for more videos, if you're a newbie on YouTube, please do subscribe, and we're going to help each other to get some viewers and subscribers. Thank you. Have a great day. Goodbye.